So in this video, we're going to be talking about Aweber and whether or not it's a good option or a great option or a lousy option. So the truth is, Aweber is a fantastic option. They've been around for a while. I've used them many times. I recommend them to a lot of my clients. And if you're simply trying to set up, whether it's brand new or you've been doing it for a while, but an email response, autoresponder, where you can set up sequences where you can do things like, hey, if they don't open the first email 4 hours later, send them another email with a different subject line to see if that helps generate some reaction, generate some more traffic, things like that. Aweber will do it. Now, I do want to be honest with you. I'm going to be doing a review on ActiveCampaign and GetResponse as well. All three of them are fantastic. It's really just your preference. Pricing wise, they're very similar, and free trial wise, they're real similar. So try them out. Maybe try them all out, see which one you like the most and stick with that one. But Aweber's definitely a good, solid choice.